What's going on, everybody? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to show you how to make a full-time income on Amazon FBA. Now we're here on Amazon.com, you see it right there. What I want to do is I want to show you how you can make a full-time income. And a lot of people are going to be like, oh, well, you can't make a full-time income. It's just not possible, and it is. Now I'm going to show you exactly how possible it is, but also I want to show you what I do, okay? And this does not mean you're going to be buying products from China and shipping them over and you got all this, overhead. It's not like that, okay? I want to show you a different way. It's actually called wholesale, okay? So what I want to do is a bounce dryer sheet. Let's type that in. Okay, so bounce dryer sheets. What I want to do is I want to find products that Amazon is not selling, okay? And the reason for this, okay, I want to give you the most basic way to make money on Amazon and make a full-time income, but without you having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars, something that's proven to work. And buying stuff wholesale and sending it into Amazon is a proven strategy. A lot of people do it, okay? It's a great way to make money. So I want to find something Amazon's not currently selling that is actually selling. This right here doesn't look like it's probably selling. So let's look at this one. There's two sellers. It's the old version, 260 sheets, and Amazon is not currently selling it. So here it is. Popped it up right here. Bounce Outdoor Fresh, 260 sheets. Okay. There's two or more people selling it. You can see right here, $15. Then there's $19.50, $11.87. Okay. You can see down here, there's more people selling it. I'll go ahead and open that up. What I want to do is, there's actually a tool I use called Jungle Scout. So I'm going to let this open. So right here it says at the current ranking where it's at right now, it sells 308 units every single month. Okay, 308. That's pretty good. Okay, it's not great. It's not, knocking out of the ballpark, but it's pretty good. Okay, so 308. All right, so let's see. If I can make, let's just say it costs $5 a piece for each one of these. Let's say it costs $10. Okay. Okay, cool. $10 is what it cost me, and I'm gonna make, or let's say it costs $5, and after the fees and everything, it's at $10, so I make $5. Okay, so you got $5. Let's say times 308, so make $1,500 at the end of the month in profit. Okay, if I was able to sell all 308. Now, chances are you're not gonna be able to do that. Now, if you do not have this Jungle Scout tool right here, okay, what I'd recommend is use junglescout.com/estimator. It's a free tool. Come over here, click on your category, home and kitchen, 36,000 I think. Find out, and it will say 308 or 309. Pretty close. Okay, so here's the other thing I want to show you, because most people don't realize how simple this business model actually is. So you can see there's a bunch of different sellers, okay? Right here, there's really only two competing, both at $15. So they'll probably share the buy box. If you're not sure what the buy box is, you can always comment down below and I'll answer you there, or watch a different video. But there's a lot of things. Now I can show you a lot of stuff. And now I actually have a course. There's a course down below. It's normally $99. You can get it $50 off. Use the link down below, and it will show you how I find my wholesale products, what I do, how I email the suppliers, how I negotiate prices, all that stuff. So if you want to get it $50 off, it's normally $99, it will drop it down to $49. So you can see right here, and again, this is stuff I talk about inside the course as well. $15. It's very, look how even this is. Okay, the price even dropped. It was selling at $16.39, dropped. Amazon was selling it for a little bit, and while Amazon's out of stock, look at that right there. It's pretty consistent. So you should be able to almost guarantee, I'm going to sell this for $15. So all you got to do is go and figure out, okay, where can I get this product? Where can I get this? And I always go to Google. Google is the easiest place and probably the fastest way to figure out who sells this exact product. So once we're on Google, all we got to do is type in bounce dryer sheets wholesale, okay, just like that, and see who has them. Bounce sheets wholesale. Okay, Bounce fabric softener sheets wholesale. See it right there, VK wholesale right there. So this one, and they got a bunch of different stuff. That's all you got to do, okay? And see, okay, this is a 25 pack, okay, for $2.19. Maybe that's not the one you want. You want a different one, okay? You want the one that has 260. Well, this is the old version, so it probably doesn't have it. Well, let's go back and look to see if there's a 25 pack. Let's see. Maybe they have a bigger one. 40 or 40 piece. Let's see. Let's go and type it in. Balanced dryer sheet, 25. So not that one. This is really all I do to find different products I can buy. That's all I'm doing. Now it doesn't look like it has it. This one, it has it right here. Okay, that's in Industrial and Scientific. We can click on that, see if it has a smaller one. It probably does somewhere, but I'm not going to spend the time looking at it. But you got to understand, that's all I do is I go to Google, I type in what the product is, and then I see, okay, how do I get it? Now, how can I buy it? Add it to cart. Do I need to go down here and create an account? What do I need to do? Most times you got to create an account. Got to figure out, do they allow people to buy anybody to buy wholesale products, or are they only selling to businesses? To buy wholesale, 1, you need a business license. 2, you probably need a reseller certificate, reseller's permit, a reseller's registration, whatever you want to call it, whatever your state calls it. You probably need that for your state. Once you have that, you just need a place to ship it to. Some companies require you to have an actual business address, a brick and mortar store. Other companies, they don't care. They'll ship it to a house. They'll ship it to a P.O. box. Some just don't care. They just want to sell their product. So figure out what it is you need, and that's all you have to do. So let's just go over the numbers really quick, okay? Like I said, if you want to get into wholesale, you want to learn how I do it, how I find products, the easy way, there's a course down below, $50 off. Use that link down below. So let's look at the numbers. Let's say you can make, $5 per product, or let's say, $4 a product, okay? And you can sell, 300 products. That's only 10 a day, 300 a month. That means you can make $1,200 that month selling stuff that you don't have to ship out individually. You buy it from the wholesaler or the supplier, whoever, okay, the middleman, whatever you want to call them. You buy it from them. Either they ship it to Amazon for you with your labels, everything already done, or they ship to you, you label it, you ship it off to Amazon, you're good to go. So you could seriously make a passive $1,200 if you do this right. And that's one of the things I talk about inside the course as well, is how you can really take this business from being all hands-on to all you do is you find the products and you have the manufacturer, you have the supplier, you have the the company themselves ship it directly to Amazon. Now, I do want to show you something that not a lot of people know, but what if you can't sell this product, okay? So I'm actually going to pop onto a different account and see if hopefully I'm not approved, and I can show you how to do that. Because all you got to do is you come to the page, come to the product you want to sell, and you click on sell on Amazon. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to show you right now exactly what I mean. Okay, so unfortunately, even my newest account, I am approved to sell this product in Industrial and Scientific, and so I can't really show you how it works, but normally what happens is, and you can watch some other videos, I talk about this, but what happens is it will say, we need more information, you need, you need invoices, or you need a letter from the company itself. So this one, let's say I'm selling a new condition, okay, now I put the price, $50, cool. And I want to ship it myself, or I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service. This right here is FBA. Okay, so that's all I do, and I go down to the bottom and I click save and finish. Done. Okay, that's all you do. It's that simple. Okay, and I think what so many people struggle with is that they don't understand how simple this business really is. Now, I'm not here to sell you on Amazon FBA or wholesale compared to retail arbitrage or private label or anything, because really every single sourcing method has its pros and cons. With private label, the pro is you get cheaper products. You can really scale, you can go faster. The con is you have to have a lot more money up front. With retail arbitrage, you can use a lot less money and you get that product that instant. You buy it, you ship it off to Amazon, you sell it, you make money a little bit quicker. The con is it takes a lot of time. It's very time intensive. Okay? And online arbitrage has its pros and cons. Wholesale has its pros and cons. However, I find that wholesale more in part has more pros than actual cons. So if you have any questions on wholesale, let me know down in the comment section below. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video, you learned something, and you intend to jump on wholesale, why you still can, why it's very easy to get into, and while the money is coming out like it's an ATM machine. Okay? Also, don't forget, if you want to know how I do wholesale, how I find wholesale suppliers, how I find profitable products, go and click that first link down in the description box below. It's going to take you to the course. It will give you $50 off. Okay? If you want $50 off my Learn to Wholesale course, go get it now, and I'll see you guys on the next video.